Intriguing visuals of spinach fields and markets, accompanied by a narration emphasizing the historical and culinary importance of spinach. Introduction to the documentary's exploration of the journey of spinach through time and across cultures. Exploring the origins of spinach, tracing its roots in ancient Persia and its subsequent spread to different parts of the world. Uncovering the historical significance of spinach in various ancient civilizations and its symbolism in different cultures. Highlighting the exceptional nutritional value of spinach, emphasizing its role in promoting health and well-being. Interviews with nutritionists and health experts to discuss the health benefits and versatility of spinach in modern diets. Showcasing the diverse culinary uses of spinach across different cuisines, from classic recipes to innovative contemporary dishes. Interviews with chefs or home cooks demonstrating the versatility of spinach in the kitchen. Exploring spinach's pop culture significance, including its portrayal in art, literature, and media, e.g., the iconic association with Popeye. Discussing the impact of these representations on the vegetable's perception in society. Visiting spinach farms to explore the cultivation process, including modern farming techniques and the challenges faced by spinach growers. Showcasing sustainable and innovative approaches in spinach farming. Investigating the potential medicinal and health benefits of spinach, including its role in modern scientific research and medical applications. Interviews with experts or researchers in the field discussing the latest findings related to spinach. Examining the economic impact of spinach production and trade on both local and global scales. Highlighting spinach's role in addressing food security and its accessibility in various regions. Summarizing the documentary's key points, emphasizing the versatility, cultural significance, and nutritional value of spinach. Encouraging viewers to appreciate and incorporate spinach into their diets for a healthier lifestyle. Acknowledgements, sources, and a compilation of interesting spinach-related facts. This documentary aims to present spinach not just as a leafy vegetable but as a rich cultural, nutritional, and historical entity that has made a significant impact on societies across the globe.